Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cool pineapple inspired by summer. So let's get started. To draw this cute pineapple, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. So now that my circle's in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So now that my eye is in, I'm going to come above each eye, and just right here I'm just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And in between the eyes I'll draw a mouth. So right about here I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve, and then I'm going to loop it up for a little tongue to make it extra cute and cap it off. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the head. So let's say, just to make it a little bit easier, let's just come to the center of our eye and say about right here. And same thing over here. Let's just say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just draw this big curve right over this little dome shape. So let's go up, and we're just going to get a little bit narrow where I was coming to the top, and then about right here to center, and then I'll just come right back down just for the top of our pineapple. So it's just a simple dome curve on top. Then from there, that's about that high. We're going to bring this down a little bit more to about right here and here. From there, let's go ahead and draw the top of our pineapple so it doesn't just look like an egg, right? So let's say about right here in the center, I'm just going to go ahead and just zigzag some of these, what do you call them, leaves on the pineapple. So the top of our part at the crown. So we're going to go up, say about right here, and just zigzag some of these and come in right back to the center. I have to look up what these are called because I know they're not leaves. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead, now that we know it's a pineapple for sure, we're going to come back down. Now that these 2 points are pretty even, I'm going to come right here and then draw a curve across. So right on both sides, I'm going to go ahead and then draw a curve all the way across. So this pineapple is inspired by summer, so I thought it'd be really cute to put a floaty on this pineapple. But if you don't want to, you can just go ahead and just draw a regular pineapple. So now that I have this cut off, I'm going to round this part. So just want to make sure this part is round. And then right here, I'm going to go out and thicken up that curve we created to create our floaty. So then from there, I'm just going to round this off. And same thing here, just want to go back and forth, and then from there go ahead and connect. So we're just thickening this up, this curve. So I'm just following my top curve. There, now I got a nice cute floaty in, and make this a little bit thicker so it looks like it's going around. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and finish the body of our pineapple. So just imagine it's coming through. So say about right here. The bottom is going to be a little bit wider. So about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and right about here, I'll go ahead and connect. So it's all up to you how tall you want to make your pineapple. It's all different kinds of shapes, right? And so then about right here, I'm going to go ahead and connect. And then since we're down here, I'm going to go ahead and draw the feet right in the center. I'll just I'm just gonna curve out, make it a little bit cuter. I'll curve 2 lines. And then from here, I'm going to draw the feet. So it's basically this widen out, kind of like this teardrop shape. The shape right here, and then right in this area, I'm going to draw 2 curves. So like he's wearing flip-flops, right? I thought that would be really cute because our pineapple is definitely ready to hit the water. So right here, just draw 2 curves. From there, let's go ahead and draw the hand. So right in this area, right about here, I'm gonna go ahead on this side. I'm just gonna draw a curve that comes out, thicken this up. And about right here, I'll just draw this thumb, kind of like this heart shape, and then this part will be a little bit bigger. Right here, and I'll just shade that in. There. And then on this side, let's have our pineapple holding a drink. So right here, I'm just gonna come out with a curve right here, and then I'm going to stop and draw this drink, this glass. So right here, just an angle line. I'm going to curve for the top of our glass and then come down. And then about right here, I'll just draw 3 curves. I mean 3 ovals, sorry. And then continue our glass to about right here and connect, or a cup. And then right in this area, I'm just gonna put a straw. So I'm gonna angle out a little straw and then connect this, finish it off with an oval right at the top. There. So actually I shouldn't have shaded that in, right? I should have left it open because then I would have to color these fingers in. So then from there we have that in, and then now I'm looking back at my camera. Let's thicken this up a little bit more to give it some depth. And then for the floaty, let's we're just gonna add some polka dots to make it extra cute. But of course it's up to you how you want to decorate your floaty, if you decide to draw a floaty. So here and there, I'm just gonna go ahead and just draw some circles. There. And then for our pineapple marking, we're going to, let's do that when we're coloring, and just draw some of these angle lines all the way over the body right here, and to make it look like a pineapple. And I'm going to come back in here, and I'm just going to erase this part right here. So it's just an outline. There. Now I can make the hands a different color, but that is pretty much it. Oh, and I also almost forgot, I need to add a heart, so I'm gonna add it right here on my drink. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this silly drawing of this cool pineapple turned out that was inspired by summer. And I really hope that I did help you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.